I'm here with Shaun from Spurs Global Coaches today, and we've been tasked with challenging you to challenge me.
Yes, we're going to switch roles. I'm going to challenge you with the football, you're going to challenge me in the kitchen.
Oh dear, I'm pretty sure Shaun's going to put me to work, but I'm going to get him to do some serious knife skills and see how good he is on the board.
So this challenge is going to test your hand-eye coordination, your balance and your ball control. Okay, so you need to make sure you can control it in this tight area without breaking anything. So you start just getting the ball through your legs, then you go right foot, up, left foot, right knee, right shoulder, left shoulder, header, and that's one.
Okay, that's one.
And you've got to see how many you can do in 60 seconds.
So, your challenge, you've got 60 seconds to do this. I'm going to do it slowly. You've got your crab hand, right? And you're going to julienne your mango.
Julienne, sounds good.
Okay, so you're going to slice down on the end, and then just slice a little bit off the top as well. And then you're going to peel your mango in long sawing motions like this. Okay? Peel round, peel the mango. Okay? Once you're round your mango, then you're going to take that mango and julienne, which is basically matchsticking your mango. So you want to see kind of where the core is, and you want to press down towards that core and hit that core all the way across. Once you've hit that core, turn it up, and then you just slice down, and you get these matchsticks of mango. You up for it?
I'm very up for it.
Right, so let's switch.
Let's do it.
We've got 60 seconds, Shaun. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, smooth. Oh, come on.
Oh, concentrate, Jeremy.
Sorry. Shoulders. I talk to myself when I'm cooking, and now I'm doing the same.
Oh dear.
How are you doing, Shaun?
I'm doing okay. I'm getting to the next
3.
phase 1 done.
Good.
Oh, a bit more to kill there.
Don't worry if it's a bit wonky, okay?
Okay,
3.
now I need to get
I'm sweating.
center.
Yeah.
Save.
10 seconds to go, I think.
Oh dear, let's go.
3, 2, 1, stop. Well, you managed to get something out.
I've got some mango. I've got half a sauce here.
Tell you what, that 60 seconds goes quickly, doesn't it?
It does.
But we got something out. So let's finish off the dish. Right, so you've got your mango.
Yes.
You've got half your sauce, which is,
Yeah.
you've got garlic, chili, and you've poured the fish sauce in.
Yeah.
Maybe a teaspoon or so of that palm sugar into that sauce. Give that a good mix. Try and sort of melt that in, so let it dissolve. So give the lime a good squeeze. And this is really nice and healthy because it's just some fruit and your prawns, which nice lean protein.
Prawns in there.
Yeah, you can pop them in the sauce, why not? So that can go on top.
Chuck it all in there.
Yeah, all over the top. Look at that. Whoa. And then a few herbs on top of that. Oh.
So you've got to give it the...
Yeah, that was a little bit of zhuzh. Yeah. Right, you taste it first. Tell me what you think.
You know what? I'm quite impressed with that, to be fair. I'd buy that. I'd pay for that.
So guys, thanks a lot for joining in the fun. We've had a lot of fun.
It's always good to set yourself a challenge.
Especially to live healthier, longer, better lives.